First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So before watching all the RRB JE topic wise video, you have to first understand these three important things. So first, the RRB JE CBT1 exam level. So usually when we take all the previous year memory based question paper of RRB JE exam, so the aptitude reasoning question level, it's medium level. So do not waste your time on keep on solving very hard level question. So try to practice more and more number of question, easy level, very easy level and medium level more. So if you keep on practicing questions more on medium and little bit medium high level, definitely you can able to clear CBT1 aptitude and reasoning questions. And second, importantly, in my every video that I'm going to post for RRB JE, I will be teaching 20 questions each and every topic on quantitative aptitude as well as reasoning. After teaching 20 questions, I will be giving 30 questions as a test. So the 20 question what I'm going to teach now will be exactly at the medium level concept, right? So that medium level questions I'm going to teach for this RRB JE, especially for RRB JE. And after teaching 20 question, I will be giving you 30 question as a test with all different kinds of model. Again, the 30 question will also be in the exam point of view like medium level question. So after watching 20 question on this video, do not forget to take the 30 question test. And the third important, so students, those who already bought the railway exam test, inside it at the last tab you can able to see a new column called RRB JE. So once you click on it, after posting every video, there you can able to see 30 question test on each and every topic on quantitative aptitude. So if you didn't buy it, if you want to buy it, so just visit feelfreetolearn.com. Inside a test series, you can able to see RRB railway exam, which is 99 rupees. Or if you have an Android mobile, so go to Google Play Store and search for Feel Free to Learn. So once you download the app, open it, inside that you can able to see railway exam. So click on it and purchase the test and start practicing all the question which is inside RRB JE. So after posting every video topic, your test will be added there. So now let me move on to all the RRB JE quantitative aptitude topics. So friends, now let me move on to the next video for this RRB JE exam on quantitative aptitude session, simplification. Right. So when we look at the previous year question paper of RRB JE, so mostly you can able to see 2 or 3 questions that is only from the topic simplification. But if you take RRB JE exam, simplification is classified into 2 categories, right? One is a normal simplification and second will be algebraic simplification, which means it comes under a category called algebra, right? So simplification, usually if you are preparing for railway exams or else SSC exams, you can able to see 2 type of simplification. One is a normal simplification like addition, subtraction, multiplication, simplification based on percentages, mixed fraction, square root, cube root, surds and indices. So all those things here in this basic simplification we have, right? That's a basic simplification question. The second category is an algebraic simplification. You can able to see a question like this: x divided by x plus y. So plus x square divided by x minus y is equals to 1. So some value will be given. Something like this, right? Not an exact question I've given, something related to these kind of question. It is also a simplification question, but it has some algebraic expressions like x by y equal to 2. So we have to divide the equation and then we have to substitute x by y is equal to a and then we have to find the answer. That is one model question. You can able to see more on the topic algebra, right? So listen carefully. There are, when you take 2019 and previous year RRB JE question papers, so definitely 2 questions they have asked from the topic simplification alone and 1 question they have asked from this algebraic equation. So simplification, I have given 30 question test. So after watching this video, do not forget to write the 30 question test with all different kind of model. So I have given 1 question based on square root, surds and indices, everything I have given on that 30 question. So here we will be solving some important question, previous year questions of RRB exam, what they have asked. So I will be solving all those questions in this video. So simultaneously by watching the video, you too please try to solve the question so that you don't want to spend separate time on preparation, right? So, and another important thing is, if you know simplification basics, watch this video, or else first try to learn the basics of simplification, like how to calculate square root in an easy way, cube root in a shortcut. I've posted many videos only on the topic simplification itself. If you search simplification on my YouTube channel, you can able to find nearly 500 to 600 questions what I taught in my YouTube channel separately on the topic simplification. So live class 100 question simplification. So target 100, there is a topic I've posted on target 100 series. There also first two topic is simplification. Surds and indices like a power m, a power n. I've solved 20 question on it. I've told you how to solve a square root, cube root shortcuts. So many videos I have posted only on the topic simplification. So watch all the videos if you have a time. So and then it is now we will be solving here some of the RRB level, JEE level questions. Right? So now let me move on to all the previous year question what they have asked in the RRB exam. So question number 1. So 3 2 by 3. So simultaneously try to solve the question, right? So into 4 1 by 5 into 3 1 by 5 divided by 2 1 by 5 is equals to question mark, right? So just see here all the numbers are in a mixed fraction. First try to convert all the mixed fraction into a proper number. So 3 3s are 9. So 9 plus 2 will be 11. So 11 divided by 3. 21 divided by 5. So 15 1 16 divided by 5. So multiplication 10 1 11 by 5. So when we bring this 11 by 5 towards numerator, it becomes 5 by 11 is equals to question mark. So now we can cancel 5 and 5 here. So similarly we can cancel 11 and 11 here. So 1 3s are 3, 7 3s are 21. So remaining, we can't able to cancel any numbers. So 6 numbers that we remaining have is 7 by 16 divided by 5 is equals to question mark. So cancel this on 5 table. So 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15, remaining will be 1, 5 2s are 10. So 7 2s are 14, 1 22. So 22.4. So answer for the first question is 22.4. Right? So basic question, it's an RRB memory based question which was asked in the previous years. So you can able to see how easy it is. Keep on practicing, you too can solve all these questions in your exams easily. But be careful, BODMAS rule is most important. Second question is 0.5 into 8.4. So plus 35 into 12.2. So plus 0.25 into 10 square is equals to question mark, right? So mostly what I used to do is I will say if you want you can multiply 35 into 12.2, it is your wish, but mostly if I see a decimal point, a question with a decimal point like this 0.5, 8.4, 12.2, 0.25. So first what I used to do, I used to remove the decimal point initially. So 0.5 can be written as 5 by 10. 84 can be written as 8.4 can be written as 84 by 10. So similarly 35 into 122 divided by 10. So plus 25 divided by 100 into 100 is equals to question mark. So this is the first step what always I used to do, because if it is in a decimal point there are more chance of making a mistake on multiplication. So better remove all the decimal points initially and then try to cancel the numbers. I can cancel 100 and 100 here. So similarly 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, we can cancel it. So 1 2s are 2, so this will be 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4. So similarly if you want you can cancel it, or else this can be written as 4.2. So plus next number. So I think we can cancel this on 5 table or 2 table. So if you cancel it on 2 table, 5 2s are 10, right? If you cancel this on 2 table, 6 2s are 12, 1 2s are 2. So similarly cancel it on 5 table, 1 5s are 5, 7 5s are 35. So 7 42, 4 27, right? So plus next number, we have only 25 into 1, which is 25 is equals to question mark. So finally 427, 4.2, 25, 4.2. So 0.2. So this will be 9, 16, 1, 5, 456, right? So answer for this question is 456.2. So yes, many students usually ask this, whether I can always do like this or you can multiply and solve. Yes, it is your wish. Either you can multiply the numbers, but there is a chance like 35 into 122.2, right? 12.2. So if you multiply that like this, if you are strong in mathematics, then you can definitely multiply it. But if you are like little bit weak in mathematics, or you might make mistakes here and there while addition itself, so kindly do one thing, remove all the decimal points initially and then solve a question. It will be easy for you to solve. At last you can add it. See, at last we got 42 by 10, so I've written it as 4.2, right? So similarly here, instead of 0.25, so 0.25, when you remove decimal point 0.25, it will be 25 by 100, and then we can cancel 100 and 100, it becomes 25, right? So if you solve like this, most of the questions you will seems to be, we can solve the questions little bit easily. So next question, so square root of 1024, so into 1 divided by 2 power minus 5, so plus 8 square into 4 is equals to question mark into 2 power 6. So when just see here we have square root, and here we have 2 power 6 like surds and indices, a power m, a power n logic, and here you have 1 divided by 2 power minus 5. This area alone is most important, because you need to be very careful if the number has power minus something, because initially what you do is first change the power into minus into a normal number. Here you can able to see the number which contains power minus 5. So what I'm going to do is, here it is 1 divided by 2 power minus 5. In order to change this minus 5 as plus 5, so bring to the numerator, it becomes 2 power 5. So friends, understood? Same 2 power 5, when you write 1 divided by, then it becomes 2 power minus 5, right? So when you write the same number in a reciprocal way, it becomes minus 5. So in the given question, they have given 2 power minus 5. So I have written this complete number as 2 power 5. So first always do this, then most of the question you can solve it easily if the question contains 2 power or 3 power something power minus number, right? Most important. So 1024 square root should be 34. So square root of this number is 34 into 2 power 5. So plus 8 square into 4 is equals to question mark into 2 power 6. So 34. So 34 will be 2 power 5. So 2 power 5 into 2 power 5. So plus 2 cube will be 8. So 2 square is equals to question mark into 2 power 6. So I have converted all the numbers into 2 power something. So 2 power 5 into 2 power 5 will be 2 power 10. So plus this will be 3 into 2 will be 6. 2 power 6 into 2 square is equals to question mark into 2 power 6. So now we can take 2 power 6 common outside. So this becomes 2 power 4, and this becomes 2 square will be 4 is equals to question mark into 2 power 6. So 2 power 6 we can cancel it. So 2 power 4 will be 16. 16 plus 4 will be 20. So finally, so they are asking what is the value of question mark. So question mark is equals to 20. So which will be the answer for this question, right? Easy or not, right? Very easy. Some students usually ask me whether I should solve the question in this model only, or can I solve it in a different way? Yes, you can solve it in a different way. If you wish, you can write this 8 square as 64. So 34 into 34. Yes, you can. You can write this 34 into 34 plus 64 into 4, and then you can divide it by 2 power 6. You can. But always remember it, if a question has something like this, 2 power something or 3 power something, so it is always better to convert the remaining number as also in 2 power 3 power something, so that you can solve the question easily. So that's the reason I'm saying. So here you can able to see one number is in form of 2 power 6, and again we got one number in the form of 2 power 5. So what I did is I can convert all the remaining numbers into 2 power something, because 4 can be written as 2 square, 8 will be 2 cube, so 2 cube power 2 will be 2 power 6. So similarly here 1024 square root is 34, right? So sorry, it's not 34, 32, right? So 32. So 32 again that can be written as 2 power 5. So it is one of the easy way to solve a question if you convert a numbers like this, right? So answer for this question is question mark is equals to 20. As 3 power minus 2. So again the question is like power of minus something. So plus 22 2 by 9 percentage. So 22 2 by 9 percentage of 364 is equals to question mark, right? So now we need to find what is the value of question mark. Just listen here, 3 power minus 2. Just now I have told you, if you need to convert 3 power minus 2 into a normal number, write this as 1 by 3 square. So now 9 2s are 18, 1, 198 plus 2 will be 200. So 200 divided by 900 into 364 is equals to question mark. Why? Because when you remove the percentage divided by 100. So here in the denominator we already have 9. So 9 into 100 will be 900. So now we can 1 by 3 square will be again 1 by 9. So plus we can cancel 0 0 0 0 here. So 2 into 364 divided by 9 is equals to question mark. So now this will be 8, 6 2s are 12, 1, 6 1 7. So 728 plus 1 divided by 9 is equals to question mark. So 729 divided by 9 is equals to question mark. So cancel it. 8 9s are 72. So remaining will be 1, which is 0. So 1 9s are 9. So answer for this question is 81, right? Very simple question. But in this question, be careful here. So don't write this as minus of, I have seen many students usually write this as 3 power minus 2 by keeping the number as it is and they solve a question. Right? If you are brilliant on these kind of question, yes, you can. But if you are a beginner, you are like struggling to solve simplification question, remember all these tricks, right? So first question, if you have a decimal point, I have told, second question, I have told that, right? If the question has a decimal point, you should know initially remove the decimal point and then solve a question, the question will be easy. So similarly, next question we have learnt, if the question that has 2 power, 3 power, 4 power something, initially you don't want to split the number, try to convert all the remaining numbers into 2 power or 3 power based upon the question of surds and indices concept. So here also similarly we have 3 power minus 2. So convert the 3 power minus 2 into 1 by 3 square and then solve a question, you will get the answer easily. So next question. So 6 into 6 into 6 into how many 6 we have? 5 6. 6 into 6 into 6 6 and 6. So plus 4 6 we have into 6 is equals to 81 into 3.5 into 3.5 into question mark, right? So this is the question we have. So first we don't want to multiply all these numbers. Why? Because here we have 6 times 6 as well as 4 times 6. So what I can do is, we can take 6 power 4 outside. When you take 6 power outside, we have only 1 6 remaining. That will be only 6. So plus if you remove all the 4 6 remaining will be 1 is equal to 81. So 3.5 can be written as 35 by 10. So into question mark, right? So now 6 plus 1 will be 7. So 6 power 4 into 7 is equals to 81 into 35 divided by 10. So I think we can cancel this on 1 7s are 7, 7 5s are 35. So similarly 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10. Right? So here into question mark we have, so question mark is equals to 6 power 4. So can be written as 6 into 6 into 6. Finally we can write like this into 2 divided by 81. So friends, understood. So now we can cancel all these on 2 table or 3 table. When you cancel this on 3 table, 3 2s are 6. So cancel this on 3 table, 3 2s are 6, remaining will be 2, 7 3s are 21. Again cancel it on 3 table, 3 2s are 6. Cancel it on 3 table, 9 3s are 27. So 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. 1 2 3 4 5. So totally 5 2s, which will be 32. So question mark is equals to 32. So friends, understood or not, right? So if you see a question like this, I have seen many questions divided by also there will be some numbers. 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 like that. So do not sit and multiply all the numbers. Always if you see same number multiplied many times, then try to take that number outside common so that you can solve a question easily. So here we have 6 5 times 6, here we have 4 times 6. So I have taken 4 times 6 common. So remaining only 1 6 and 1. So remaining will be total will be 7, and then we can cancel and find out the answer. Right? So if you see these kind of numbers, always try to take some numbers outside common. So answer for this question. Next question. So 50% of 13 1 by 10. So plus 11 1 by 10 is equals to question mark. Right? So very basic question. So 50% can be written as 50 divided by 100. So 50 by 100 is nothing but 1 by 2, right? So usually we can write 50% as easily as 1 by 2. So of 130 plus 1 will be 131. So 131 by 10. So this will be 110, 111 divided by 10 is equals to question mark. So 1 by 2 of So we can take 10 outside, which is common, right? LCM 10 and 10. So remaining will be 4, 2, 2 is equals to question mark. So again we can cancel it. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 2s are 2. So 121 divided by 10, right? So this will be 121, and when you divide this by 10, answer will be 12.1. So answer for this question is 12.1, right? Very simple and easy question. Next question. So 600 percentage of, so square root of 180 into 81 divided by 5, so into 12, so division 3 power minus 1 is equals to question mark power 2. So very interesting question. So our target is to find what is question mark square, right? So we need to find that answer. So here we have percentage square root 3 power minus 1. So first be careful how to convert this 3 power minus 1. Just now I have told you. So 3 power minus 1, if you need to convert it, write it as 1 divided by 3, right? So we can write the same question as 600 percentage. So 600 percentage can be written as 600 divided by 100. So off will be multiplication. So we can cancel 5 here. So 5 3s are 15. So remaining will be 3, 6 5s are 30. So square root of 36 into 81, right? So into 12 divided by, just be careful or else first I can write like this, 12, right? So division 1 by 3 is equals to question mark square. So friends, understood or not, right? So first we converted this 3 power minus 1 as 1 by 3, and then division can be, if you need to convert the division into multiplication, reciprocal of this number. If you reciprocal this number, so only we have 3. So 12 into 3. Friends, understood? So now we can cancel 0 0 0 0 here, right? So just a moment. Okay, that's it, right? So its question is correct. So 12 into 3 is equals to question mark square. So now we need to take square root for all these numbers, right? So this is our target. So what I can do here is, so instead of multiplying these numbers, right, I'm not going to multiply all these numbers. First what I can do is, already here we have one square root. If you remove the square root, 36 will be 6, right? So 6 6 are 36. Again 81, 9 9s are 81. Into 12 into 3 is equals to question mark square. So friends, understood what I did? So you don't want to multiply these two numbers and waste your time. Why? Because already it's a perfect square. So square root of 36 can be written as 6. Square root of 81 will be 9. So now again we have to take a square root for the complete number. So do not multiply the numbers like 6 into 6 into 9 into 12 into 3. Don't multiply it. We can easily take a square root. Why? Because here we have 2 6. Right? When you take a square root for 2 6, we will get only 1 6. Similarly 9 square root. So 9 square root will be 3. So 12 into 3 is 36. 36 perfect square will be 6. So is equals to question mark. So 6 6 are 36. 36 into 3, 18 1, 108. So question mark is equals to 108. So friends, understood? So answer for this question is 108. So don't waste your time on the exams by multiplying these numbers. I have seen students usually sit and multiply this. Don't want to multiply the number. Why? Because our target is to find what is question mark square. So what is the next step from this step is question mark is equal to square root of all the numbers. So when you take a square root for the complete number, we already have some numbers here which is a perfect square. So 2 times 6, when you take a square root, it will be only 1 6, right? So square root of 9 is what? 3. And 12 into 3 remaining. So 12 into 3 is 36. Again 36 is a perfect square. When you take a square root for 36 is 6. That's it. So answer for this question where question mark is equals to 108. So next question, 16 2 by 3 percentage. So 16 2 by 3 percentage of, so 38, 28 into 6. 2.8 into 6 plus 5.4 into 9 is equals to 10 power minus 1 into question mark. So again we have one number with power of minus, right? So now 16 into 3. So 16 into 3 is 48. So 48 plus 2 will be 50. So 50 divided by 3 percentage of, right? So here 2.8. This can be written as 28 by 10 into 6. So plus 5.4 can be written as 54 divided by 10 into 9 is equals to 1 divided by 10 into question mark. So now I can write this 50 by 3 as 50 divided by 300. Yes. So into I think we don't want to cancel it. Why? Because if I cancel it, we have to multiply the numbers. Better instead I can take 6 outside. So if I take 6 outside as common, so remaining number we have 28 by 10. So if I take 6 outside as a common, this will be 9 6 are 54, 81 by 10, right? So is equals to 1 by 10 into question mark. So now 50, 6 5s are 30. So we can again cancel 6 and 6. So the remaining numbers what we have here is 28 plus 81. So this will be 9 and this will be 10. 109 divided by 10 is equals to 1 divided by 10 into question mark. So cancel 10 and 10. So question mark is equals to 109. So option C, okay, I have. So final answer is 109, right? Which is answer for this question. Easy or not, right? So here do not multiply. Again I am saying if you multiply these two numbers, there is a chance of making a mistake. That's the reason initially if I see a question like this, I usually remove a decimal point. And then if it is 10 power or 2 power minus something, first write it in a proper way and then solve a question so that it is very easy to solve most of the simplification, right? So answer for this question is 109. Next question is 61 percentage of 550. So 550 minus of question mark percentage of 250 is equals to 3 power 5. Yes, question mark percentage of 250 is equals to 3 power 5. Yes, okay. So now we need to find what is this question mark percentage, question mark value. So this 61 percentage can be written as 61 by 100 into 550. So similarly question mark divided by 100 into 250 is equals to 3 power 5. So now we can cancel 0 0 here. So similarly we can cancel 0 0 here. When you cancel this on 5 table, so 5 2s are 10. So 5 5s are 25. Similarly 2 times, so this will be 11 times. So we can't able to cancel any number further. So 61 into 11 divided by 2. So minus of 5 into question mark divided by 2. So when you take LCM common, 3 power 5 into 2. So now write this as 61 times. So 6 and 7, 671. 671 minus of 3 power 5 into 2. So is equals to 5x, right? When you bring the right hand side number towards left hand side, 3 power 5 into 2. And when you bring this number toward right hand side, it will be 5x. So now 671 minus of 3 power 5 into 2. So 3 power 5 will be 243. So 243 into 2, 6, 8, 486. So 486 is equals to 5x. So now 11, 6 will be 11, 6 will be 5. So here we have 6, so which will be 16. So 16 will be 8 times. So 5, 6 already. 5, 4, 185 is equals to 5x. So cancel it. 5 3s are 15. So remaining will be 3. 7 5s are 35 is equals to x. So answer for this question where x is equals to 35. Next question, 1.6 the whole square. So 1.6 whole square minus of 0.8 the whole square is equals to, so 2.4 whole square division 0.4 the whole square is minus of question mark, right? So this is the value they have given. So instead of, it's minus or division? It's division. Okay, so division. Here also we have division minus of question mark, right? So here do not waste your time by writing what is 1.6 square and then 0.8 square and then dividing. So don't do that. First what I have told initially is always if you see a decimal point, remove it first, right? So when you remove the decimal point, 16 divided by 10 the whole square. So division again 0.8 can be written as 8 divided by 10 the whole square is equals to, similarly 24 by 10 the whole square. So division 4 divided by 10 the whole square, so minus of question mark, right? So initially I have removed all the decimal points. So now this division, if you convert into a multiplication, a reciprocal of the number. So now 16 square, write it as 16 into 16 divided by 100, 10 square. So similarly 10 square will be 100 divided by 8 square will be 8 into 8. So similarly this can be written as 24 into 24 divided by 100. So multiplication 100 divided by 4 square will be 4 into 4. So minus of question mark, right? So friends, understood or not, right? So this will be easy. So now we can cancel 100, 100 here, 100, 100 here. So 1 8s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 1 8s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So now in the left hand side we have only number 4 is equals to. So this will be 6 4s are 24, 6 4s are 24. So 6 into 6 will be 36. So 36 minus question mark. So question mark is equals to 32. So that's it, right? So very simple and easy to solve. So that's the reason I'm saying every time when you see a question marks with question that has a decimal point, initially remove it. Even the number is easy. 0.8 square, everyone knows it is 64. 8 square is 64. But there is a chance of making a mistake while putting a decimal point to that number. So that's the reason I'm saying remove it, write it as 8 by 10 and then square the number. You can able to cancel somewhere with other numbers so that the complete question becomes very simple too, and then solving all these parts seems to be very easy, right? So answer for this question is 32. So next question is 8 square root of 8 into 8 cube. So division 8 power minus 5 by 2 is equals to 2 power question mark. Yes. So 8 square root of 8 into 8 cube, division 8 cube, 8 power minus 5 by 2 is equals to 2 power question mark. Okay, so first what I can do is, we can't able to take square root for 8 because it's not a perfect number. So this can be written as 8 power 1 into 8 power 1 by 2. We can split this number as 8 into a square root of 8. So square root of 8 is nothing but 8 power 1 by 2. So remaining number that we have is 8 cube. So 8 power 5 by 2. Usually if it is a power, we can write this as 8 power 5 by 2 is equals to 2 power question mark. So again 8 into 8 power 1 by 2 into 8 cube. So converting division into multiplication, 8 power 5 by 2 is equals to 2 power question mark. So now when you take 8 outside common, so remaining values that we have is 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 3 plus 5 by 2 is equals to 2 power question mark. So because a power m, a power n will be, all the base numbers are same. So power numbers are different. So we can add it, right? One base number, all the remaining powers we can add it. So we can take LCM as 2 here. So 2, 1, 6, 5 is equals to 2 power question mark. So 6 plus 5, 11. So 11 plus 1 will be 12. 12 plus 2 will be 14. So 8 power 14 divided by 2 is equals to 2 power question mark. So cancel it. 7 2s are 14. So again 8 power 7 is equals to 2 power question mark. So our target is to find the answer in the value of 2 power something. But here we have 8. So if you write 8 into 2 power, it will be 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. So this 8 can be written as 2 cube. So power 7 is equals to 2 power question mark. So 2 power 21 is equal to 2 power question mark. So question mark is equals to 21. So finally answer for this question where question mark is equals to 21. So once understood or not, right? So easy question. Be careful if you see these kind of question. It's completely based on surds and indices. Surds and indices. I have posted a separate video of surds and indices. So do not forget to watch all these videos. Even if you are preparing for railway or SSC, whatever exam, simplification will be common. Only the level may vary, right? So if you are preparing for SSC, little bit CB second level tier will be little bit more difficult. So first tier will be easy. So these kind of things you have to remember it before preparing for the exams. So initially also I have told you, right, what is the level of your exam? So you should practice these kinds of questions more. So answer for this question where question mark is equals to 21. So here is the last question. So square root of 2 power question mark is equals to 8 square into 5 square. So division 200 square root of 2. Right? So this is the question they have given. So we have to find 2 power question mark, that too it is inside the square root. First let me keep this left hand side number as it is. So 2 power question mark as it is. So this will be 8 into 8 into 5 into 5. So divided by 200 square root of 2. So this will be 5 into 5 is 25. So 25 4 times will be 100. 25 8 times will be 200. Right? So we can cancel this on 8 times. Again we cancel 1 8 and 1 8 here. So remaining number that we have here is 8 divided by 2. So now what I can do is I can bring this square root towards right hand side. So usually a square root, when you remove the square root, this can be written as 1 by 2. Yes. So when you write 1 by 2, when you bring this 1 by 2 towards right hand side, it becomes 2 power question mark is equals to 8 divided by square root of 2. 1 by 2, this becomes only square. So 2 question mark is equals to 8 square will be 64. So square root of 2, the whole square will be 2. So we can cancel it. So this becomes 32. So 2 power question mark is equals to 32, and 2 power 32 can be written as 2 power 5 because 2 power 5 is 32, and we need to find an answer in 2 power something. So 2 power 5 is equals to 2 power question mark. So question mark is equals to 5. So which will be the answer for this question, last question, right? So friends, that's it. So here in this video I have solved all the questions which they have previously asked in the railway exam, various railway exams. So this is the level of the simplification question in your exams. So if you need to solve these kind of question in your exam, first you have to know all the basic concepts of simplification. How to find a shortcut for the square root, cube root, and then search indices, mixed fraction to a normal fraction, and then percentages, question based on percentages, BODMAS rule, and if a question contains off at the right place, some question will have a word called off. So you have to be very careful on it. So there are many questions which are related to simplification concepts. So those concepts will be applied there also in most of the quantitative aptitude question. So be careful on simplification part because it's an easy topic, but it has lots of concepts to learn. If you keep on practicing more number of questions, then automatically you can able to solve it. So after watching this video, do not forget to take the test, 30 question with all different kind of models I have given. So go and write the test and check whether you can able to, you are getting 30 out of 30 in that, and daily try to practice 10 questions, right? So that at the time of exams you can easily score all these simplification part. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you really like it, share the video to your friends, those who are preparing for the competitive exams. So thank you so much. Bye.